In today's video, we'll be looking at equilibrium residences in VISTACANA. Get comfortable because this video starts right now. Today we will once again be visiting VISTACANA to explore a new project of 21 townhouses and 2 single-family villas. Stay until the end of the video because I will introduce to you 2 new amenities that you as an owner can benefit from in VISTACANA. As a reminder, VISTACANA is about a 15 to 18 minute ride from the Punta Cana International Airport depending on traffic and road conditions. Once in VISTACANA and you're at the intersection where you see a billboard for Sabana Equestrian and Residences on your left, turn right. Go around the rotary and take your first left. Go to the next corner and turn left again. Here to your left is the location where Equilibrium Residences will be built. Here is the master plan of the project where you can see the layout. Let's go over your options. There will be 2 and 3 bedroom townhouses. On the main level of the 2 bedroom units, you'll enjoy a kitchen, living and dining areas, laundry area, guest bathroom, storage room, terrace, and yard. A jacuzzi is optional and it comes at an additional cost. There will be parking for 2 vehicles with a path in the middle, so no more banging the car next to you when you open your door. On the second level, you will have a master bedroom with private bathroom and walk-in closet, a second bedroom with a full bathroom just outside for others to use as well. There will also be a linen closet. These townhouses will be approximately 1,271 square feet of living space on a lot measuring approximately between 1,610 and 2,838 square feet depending on its location. Prices start at $240,000. Next, we have the 3 bedroom townhouses. On the main level, you'll enjoy a kitchen, living and dining areas, laundry area, guest bathroom, storage room, service room with a private bathroom, terrace, and yard. A jacuzzi is also optional and it comes at an additional cost. There will be parking for 2 vehicles as well. On the second level, you will have a master bedroom with private bathroom and walk-in closet. There will also be 2 additional bedrooms with private bathrooms. Out in the hallway will be a linen closet. These townhouses will be approximately 1,613 square feet of living space on a lot measuring approximately between 1,578 and 2,387 square feet depending on its location. Prices start at $295,000. Next, we have the 2 single-family villas. At the time this video was being put together, there was only 1 available. On the main level, you'll enjoy a kitchen, living and dining areas, laundry area, guest bathroom, storage room, service room with a private bathroom, terrace, and yard. A jacuzzi is optional and it comes at an additional cost. There will be parking for 2 vehicles. On the second level, you will have a master bedroom with private bathroom and walk-in closet. There will also be 2 additional bedrooms with private bathrooms. Out in the hallway will also be a linen closet. This single-family villa will be approximately 1,578 square feet on a lot measuring approximately 2,448 square feet. The price is $355,000. Equilibrium Residences will have a children's park opposite the villas. Here are a few artist renderings of Equilibrium Residences. Here's some footage I took this week showing how close the project is to the second and larger man-made beach in VISTACANA. The payment plan is as follows. Reserve with $3,000 US. Pay 20% with signed agreement to purchase. Pay 30% during construction. Pay the 50% balance upon delivery. Estimated delivery is for March 2027. The prices mentioned today is based on what's available at the time this video was being put together, which was 3 days ago. So for the latest in prices and availability, get in touch with me via WhatsApp to 809-223-8416 or email me to info@propertiesbymasters.com. And now I wanted to share with you 2 new items you can enjoy from in VISTACANA. These were introduced during the open house last weekend.
Right on.
There's a new bar and lounge with large TVs and speakers so you can enjoy music while socializing. The next item is another pool on the other end of the beach where you can enjoy laying down in some comfortable modern furniture. And at this time, the shopping center at the entrance, the sports zone, the second man-made beach, and the Ashton School are being built. Can you imagine yourself having a property in a place like this? Get in touch with me and let's go over your options. Thank you for watching. If you found today's video informative, consider subscribing to this channel. It's free for you and helps us continue to grow. Also, if you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others discover it. And share this video with anyone who you think can benefit from these insights. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.